Hey guys, Jarod down here with Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Used and Rig Ready Approves. And today we're going to take a walk around this beautiful brand new 2026 Ram 1500 Rebel, guys. Inline-6 3-liter Hurricane engine underneath the hood there for you guys. You can have adaptive cruise control in the front, tow hooks, all good and easy for you. Goodyear Wrangler tires, Mudflaps already installed. You're going to have your mirror lights here, running boards already installed. Getting into the passenger seat here, guys, full leather all throughout, all-weather mats, 10.25-inch passenger screen for them to mess around on as we get into the back seat here so you can see. You're going to have some storage underneath your seats here. You're going to have heated seats, 2 USBCs, and a 115-volt AC adapter there for you guys as well. Coming on around the back here, backup camera already installed for you. Trailer tow package. You're going to have your rear sliding window. No bed liner, but you're going to have bed hooks and bed lighting so you can strap down anything you need. If you guys, just hands are tied up, you have things are full, can't lift up the tailgate, smack that button right there, guys. It'll lift up for you and close itself. Here's where you'll find your fuel tank. Back seat from this angle, so full upgraded sound system with that Harman and Kardon in here, guys, so you will never need to worry about that. You're going to have blind spot detection here as well as heated mirrors. Full moonroof in this one, guys. You're going to have a 14.4-inch display, leather-wrapped wheel, memory seats, power mirrors, heated seats, cooled seats, all that good stuff, guys. If it interests you, give us a call, 780-942-3629.